Bunny, how are you? I'm fine. I want to order a chocolate cake with M&Ms. Okay, let's make a chocolate cake with M&Ms today. Let's begin. Wow, what a lovely chocolate M&M's cake! Yes, it's amazing. It must be delicious. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You will find amazing content on Miniature. See you soon with another amazing cake decorating idea. Till then, Bye-bye. So these are the participants of today's lucky draw. Let's see who will be the winner. And thanks a lot to all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, whoever like to watch my videos. Thanks a lot. Our Miniatures family has 500 members now, and keep supporting us to grow this family even bigger. And let's see who is the lucky winner. And the winner is Aisha TikTok. Congratulations, Aisha. Kindly provide your email address or Instagram handle so that we can contact you. Congratulations once again, and thanks a lot once again for liking our videos. Keep supporting us. Bye-bye.